What's going on, guys? It's me, Jonah from Titan Armory, and today we're starting an episode that I've been wanting to do for a while now, and we're starting the Jack Sparrow series. So we're starting from the bottom and working our way up, and that's mainly just because I have the stuff for the bottom, and I don't really for the top yet. So yeah, this week we're gonna be doing the boots. Next week we're gonna be doing the pants, then the shirt, and then the weapons, and then the wig, and then makeup stuff. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so today we're going to be using four things really. We're going to be using black paint, brown paint, some water to thin the paint, paper towels to wipe off the paint, and maybe, depending on how brutal I'm feeling, some red spray paint to simulate some blood. And of course, the boots. Sorry for the crappy audio, guys, but I'm editing this kind of late. But basically, all you want to do is dip the brush in water and get it really wet. This will thin the paint and get you the effect you want instead of it being too dark and thick. Okay, so then you're going to take it and just pick some areas where stuff would collect and just brush it on. Just get it all in there. Brush it on. And then you want to make sure you have paper towels handy, because then you're going to take the paper towels and you're just gonna brush it off. Alright, guys, so this is it. This is where I went way too heavy on this side, and this is more what I was looking for. This is a better example. This one is more what I was going for, where it's a lot more subtle, and you can see where it's got some dirt and stuff, but it's not like super high key, you know. Whereas like on this, it doesn't show up super great on camera, but like you can see that this one is just way darker than this one. This is what I was going for, not this. And it ultimately just comes down to, this looks more realistic. This looks like I was weathering it and trying to make it look nasty. So yeah, I only ended up, I know I said I was gonna also do a brown wash, but I ended up only going with a black wash just because, you know, they looked plenty dirty. What's going on, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel and the first ever episode of Titan Talks. Yeah, this is where it's not so much like a build video or a tutorial so much as me just sort of talking about stuff and showing you some stuff. So this is gonna be an ongoing series. I'm gonna try to do like one a month or so. So yeah, let's get started. This week I'm gonna be talking to you guys about foam. Yeah, foam. Well, not so much foam, but the basic tools and materials and stuff that you need to get